So since my tweet is going pretty viral, I wanted to showcase how to actually use Vid Cloner to replicate videos like these that are getting millions of views. And I'll show you how to do that not just for dances, but for videos promoting your products, and we'll do that in 2 ways. So first, you find any videos that you want to clone. For example, this girl is promoting this product. What you would do then is copy the link and go to Vid Cloner. In Vid Cloner, click create and paste the link right here. With this method, you're able to replace the avatar in the video with the avatar of your choice. So it can be a black girl, it can be you, it can be whatever you want. You can create and upload avatars in the avatar tab. Or the other option is to remake the video. What this will do is extract all the data from the video, from this video that we copied, and it will use it to remake the video from scratch, meaning it will not use an avatar and it will be a completely different video. Let me show you an example. Here are some videos I made previously. These videos are cloned, meaning we replace the avatar with your own avatar. But there are some videos that are remade. For example, this one. The video was analyzed and a whole new video was generated. Same goes for this video, for a coding niche. So you can do that and test out different variations for your product, for different niches, to see what works best. And quick note, you can get free credits if you click get free credits and follow the tutorial right here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on Twitter, on the website, or on email, and I'll happily help you out.